Oh, goodness. Ah. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, so what's up, guys? Today back on my channel. We are going to be doing mixing all of my slimes all together. So I'm super excited to do this because I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just haven't decided if I for sure want to mix one all together. But I've decided, yes, I do want to mix all of them together. So today we're going to be mixing them out of this large bowl. And I'm ready to mix it. So let's get to it. Okay. So you guys can see me put it in. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. Oh God, I think this one's a little sticky. Oh my God. I seriously cannot believe I'm doing this right now. Oh God, it's a little sticky. I think all of them will mix together well though, but it'll be like an odd kind of texture, I'm assuming. Like, I don't know. It's gonna be like an odd kind of texture. Hopefully it's like not bad though, because I don't want it to be bad slime. Because if it's a bad slime, then it's like just you did this for no reason slime. Okay, so I'm trying to get all of this slime off the bag. Okay, that was easy. Ooh, yes, I love this slime to death. So this slime I did not make. My friend Mercedes did. And she does not have a channel, which I wish she did, for making slime, because she would get a lot of followers, maybe, I don't know. But I'm just like really excited to do this because bomb slime right here, just a little sticky though. But isn't slime always just a little sticky when you don't play with it for like a while? So, okay, we're gonna go to biggest to smallest. So next one is my blue fluffy slime, which is, it's an odd texture. Like, me and my friend Allie fixed this because it was like a gray color, and then I added like this paint color. It is really, really fluffy. It does have buttons and like googly eyes in it for some reason, because yeah. So, yeah. Oh God, it's going in. Ah! Oh my God. Oh God, there's no turning back now. Like, there's no turning back now. Oh well. Oh well. Oh goodness. Oh God. Starting to think that maybe I shouldn't have done this. Look at this, guys. I wonder what kind of color it's going to turn into. Like maybe like a purple or something? Ooh, it's going to turn into like a purple. So as soon as I mix
this up. It's not as stretchy as it was at first because the blue one kind of wasn't really that stretchy. But the one that Mercedes, the first one that I put in, that purplish pink color, that one has like fake snow in it, so it feels really cool. Oh my god, it's getting so big, guys. I don't even know if this was like a big enough bowl. Ooh, I was right. It's like a light purple. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a really cool color of light purple. Here. See it? It feels really cool though. But you know, that's how we do that. Okay. Next up one is a purple foam bead one. Ooh, this one's sticky because my friend Kayla Cooper was over yesterday before I went to her house. And she was trying to play with it, and yeah, it's a little sticky. But we're gonna roll with it. So this is what it looks like. It's purple, but you guys can't really see it. So pretty much I think this is just gonna be like a really like purple slime. You never know though. It could just turn out as like, I don't know. I don't know. Oh god, this is really sticky. So every one that I put in here, I'm gonna mix them up because I don't want it to be all sticky when I start mixing it. Oh, the ones that I mixed in first weren't even mixed out of the way. Oh my god, this thing gets bigger and bigger each time. Wow. I might not even have a big enough bag to put all this in. I might have to like split it up in groups. But see, here's a button. And somewhere in there, there's like more buttons and all that stuff. Ooh, but that purple one made it pretty stretchy. Still a little like unstretchy, but we can fix that by like contact solution or... Geez, this thing is so squeaky. Sorry for the squeakiness, guys, but like this thing is getting humongous. Look at how big it is. Like, this thing is getting so big. Okay. Next one is this like light green foam bead slime. This one is not as sticky as it was, but this one is really good. I forgot what this one smells like. Oh yeah, it's like cucumber something, but it's really stretchy. Hopefully this one will make it better. Oh my god. OMG, guys. Like, what have I even gotten myself into? I did not think how big this is gonna be, like, at all. Like, wow. This thing is humongous. Like, whoa, dude. I need to make it way more stretchier, though. Well, now I can give the container back to my mom. But so far it's actually, it's not bad, but it's not that stretchy. I'll just get it stretchy once I mix all of them together. Okay, so far I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Sadly, guys, this is my last one, and it's my smallest one, and I'm really sad. So this one I call it Banana Laffy Taffy, It's not as sticky as I thought it was, but it's really cool. It's really glossy. That's why I called it Banana Laffy Taffy. I made this one myself. All the other ones I made besides the very first one. Oh, it matches my little... Okay. Let's see how this goes. Oh, guys. It's in. OMG. OMG. You guys still can't really see my face unless I like duck down. I felt like it was going to be like a purple color. I don't know though. I don't know, it's not as stretchy as I thought it was going to be. But other than that, it like has like this odd feely texture to it. Like, it's not a bad texture, it just feels kind of weird. But, dude, this thing is humongous. Like, it's huge. This thing is huge. I'm gonna put all my containers back like that. But, like, no joke. This thing is humongous. Okay, once I'm done mixing, we'll be all good. Hi guys, so I'm almost done mixing. Okay, like, guys, it's done and it's like humongous. It feels so cool. All squishy. But like, dude, it feels so cool. It's not as stretchy as I thought it was going to be though. I know I keep saying that, but it really isn't that stretchy as I thought it was going to be. It's good. I just thought it would be more stretchier. But that always can be fixed. Dude, this thing is literally like way bigger than my head. Look at this. That thing is huge. I don't even know how I'm trying to balance this. Dude, look at this. It is so big. Like, I've never had, like, this is, like, probably the biggest slime that I've ever had. And I've never mixed, like, I've mixed slimes together. But, dude, this is, like, so weird. I need to add, like, lotion to it or, like, hand sanitizer. Because it's not as good as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so I have this from Bath and Body Works at the mall. It's called Peach Bellini, or whatever it is. It's hand sanitizer, so I'm just going to do a little of that because this is like my favorite hand sanitizer. And then I wanted to do kind of like a twist. Coconut milk. I don't really use this oil because it's coconut milk. And yeah, so let's try that and see how that works. Because it's like oil. You would assume that it's going to be like baby oil or something. Let's try it. Whoa. This feels weird. Like, it's not a bad weird. It just feels weird. Like, way different. Dude, it smells so good, though. Because of that peach hand sanitizer. Dude, I think the oil helped it though. Like, bro. But it smells so freaking good. Like, bro, tell me not to love this slime. I'm gonna put some more milk. Coconut milk. That's what it is. So, dude, this came out of a coconut, and then they made it into an oil. So pretty much what we're doing is we're putting milk in her hair. Whoa. That is sketchy. You would assume that they would have banned that, but you know, I'm just being a little weird here. I need to seriously get a better stand for my camera because you guys cannot even see the slime, and if I have it like that down below, then you can't even see my face. You can't even see my face right now. But dude, this is like bomb slime. I used to have lotion, like it was huge, just like that tall of lotion. And like, it was really good lotion, but it made my slime really sticky. But other than that, it was pretty darn good. It was good stuff to make it more stretchy, but if you added like a lot to it, like it needed a lot of lotion, you had to get a different lotion. By the way, do not use Bath & Body Works lotion on slime. It does not make it any better. It probably just makes it smell better. Plus, you're just wasting your money. That is why you go to the dollar store and you get lotion there. You do not just go to the store and then ask your mom to buy some lotion for you to put in your slime, so you're pretty much just wasting it. It's a waste of money, and yes, I know people would say that, no, it's not a waste of money unless you're using it. And you never know. As soon as you use it, the next day your slime could be dried out and you're just using your mom's money just to do and fix your slime. So, I am gonna put this back in the big, huge bowl and just do that. So I got it all in the bowl. Okay. It's the biggest slime I've ever had. It's on the bowl too. Oh goodness, it's falling out. Hey, you little slippery dude. Okay guys, I hate to say this, but I really do hate to say this, because I have nothing else to do. Okay, I'm not saying goodbye yet, but I am going to say I get my braces tomorrow, which is a giant woohoo! Because I so cannot wait to get my braces on. The video before this, you guys should go check this out before you go on this video, because yeah, it just explains more. And so tomorrow, me and my dad in the morning, I have to get up at like 7 something, and that is when I'm going to be vlogging, and I'm just really cannot wait, because I cannot wait to get this stupid spacer off. Here, I don't know if you guys can see it all the way back there, but these metal things right here, those are just caps that hold on it, because look. That's my spacer. And I've had it on for about 6 months now. And it's really annoying because I can't eat stuff that I want to, or the bracket will pop off. But that's going to be the same rule with braces, but I'm going to be vlogging me getting my braces and my spacer off tomorrow, and I'm just really going to have the funnest time ever, and I'm going to look like a total dork tomorrow. I'm not going to be fully awake because in the morning it's just tiring, and yeah. So my dad is going to pick me up tomorrow at like 7. I told him to pick me up at like 7. I forgot. Yeah, 7. Like I told him to pick me up at like 7:54 because my appointment's at 8:50, and if like I don't have breakfast in the morning, we can go get breakfast before, and then I'm gonna take like this little travel pouch. Ooh. Right now, I should just do that right now so I don't forget, because I don't feel like not being prepared, because my brother said yes, like not yesterday, but what, as soon as he got his spacer off that day, and then he got his whatever it's called, braces on, he said that he had really chapped lips, because when you look at other people's videos, they're like this the whole entire time. And it's like, my appointment is going to be like 2 to 3.5 hours, because they have to take this off and then they have to do the spacer. It might be a little less, but you never know. And then after that, we are going, my dad's going to drop me off at school, and then, yeah, so I'm going to be hurting a lot. But, wow, this video is like 22 minutes long. I'm going to try to shorten it up. Okay, so what I'm going to bring is chapstick, sweet papaya. See, sweet papaya. I'm going to bring that. Actually, I'm going to put some on right now. Okay, so I'm going to bring that. It's in this little pouch. And then I have a toothbrush. Right here, hasn't even been opened. I got it from the dentist. It's extra soft because I have a really sensitive mouth. And last time when I got my spacer on, I really should have vlogged that. I didn't even know why I didn't think about it. But so it's just extra soft. You can see it. Well, now you can. It's extra soft, and it's purple. And so the day that I got my spacer on, so yeah, it's kind of embarrassing because I really wish that I didn't do that to her. So I kind of may have possibly had my butt up in the air, like, no, not my butt, but my front side was up in the air, and I was like arching my back when he's trying to push my spacer in, because it hurt that bad. Like, I was bawling my eyes out, and I was tearing up, and then they got it on, and then they said they had to take it off, because that was just sizing it. So then the doctor dude had to come back there in the back, and then they finally put the glue on, and then they had to have me bite down on this biting brush, and they put it back there, and they told me to bite as hard as I could. So that's why I was crying, and then I screamed once, and everybody stared at me. I'm like, dude, at least you are not having that much pain in your mouth. And then
And then they told me, do you want a break? And I said, yeah, because you guys are torturing my mouth. And then they're like, I'm sorry. It's going to feel like a lot of pressure. And I'm like, dude, you think? There's a lot of pressure in my mouth right now. And then I was just like, seriously, dude? This is ridiculous. So I'm going to get my spacer off, and I've watched a video. My other video explains that. But yeah. So I'm also going to bring my hand sanitizer that I just used, because you never know when you can be too cautious. So yeah. So I'm also going to bring these just for in case. And then I have a little fish one. So I'm going to reveal what I have in here. So I have toothbrush, hand sanitizer, this, my little floss, and 3 more, and then chapstick. So that's pretty much, that is it in my little bag of wondrous things. But yeah, so I'm all set for tomorrow, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Sorry for a really long video, but this was really fun making this with you guys. Well, mixing it, and hopefully, it smells so good. Hopefully you guys, please give me a big thumbs up. Please comment down below what color of rubber bands I should get, and then I will look through the comments. And yeah, so I'm super excited for my braces, and I'm so excited. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and please comment down below. Please give me a big thumbs up. And please subscribe, and please click that bell, or you will not get any notifications on me having new videos up on YouTube. So have a good day, guys. Bye.